in Sunny Meadow lived a little bunny named Bella. Bella was sweet, she was fluffy, and she was very, very forgetful. One sunny morning, she couldn't find her favorite red ball. "Oh, fiddlesticks," she sighed, twitching her nose. "I've lost it again." She searched under the buttercups and behind the big oak tree, but the ball was gone. Feeling a bit sad, Bella sat down. The sun was so bright. It made a dandelion seed head glow like a fluffy, white moon. Suddenly, an idea popped into her head. She gathered a bunch of dandelion seeds, wrapped them carefully in a big, sturdy leaf, and tied it with a blade of grass. Voila! It wasn't her red ball, but it was a new, puffy, floaty ball that danced in the wind when she tossed it. She giggled as it floated away. The next day, Bella wanted to paint a picture of the sunset, but she couldn't find her paintbrushes anywhere. "Oh, bunny whiskers," she mumbled, looking at the beautiful pink and orange sky. She felt that familiar frustration creeping in. But then, she remembered her new dandelion ball. She looked around and saw a fluffy cattail, a soft feather, and even used her own puffy tail. She dipped them in berry juice for red and mud for brown. Her painting was wild, textured, and unlike anything she had ever made before. It was beautiful. Her friends, Squeaky the squirrel and Oliver the owl, came to see. "Wow, Bella," chirped Squeaky. "Where did you get those amazing brushes?" Bella realized something wonderful. Every time she lost something, she didn't just find a replacement. She invented something new and exciting. Her forgetfulness wasn't a problem. It was a secret superpower. It pushed her to be creative and see the world differently. She started losing things on purpose sometimes, just to see what amazing invention she would come up with next. A lost teacup became a bird bath made from a large leaf. A missing jump rope was replaced by a long, springy vine. Bella, the forgetful bunny, became Bella, the most creative bunny in all of Sunny Meadow. She learned that sometimes, our little quirks and imperfections are what make us truly special and help us shine. So if you ever feel a little forgetful, just remember Bella. Sometimes mistakes make magic.